Hello and welcome to my corner. Today I'm making specially made Fanta. How to make Fanta, but in a healthier, without all the sugar and the excess stuff. So while we're waiting for more people to join, I will go ahead with, this is my juicer here, my portable juicer. And I have my apples here, pineapple, and then my carrot. Okay. So I'm all ready. I got my apron on and I'm ready to roll. Okay. If you join, just tap send likes once you join. Okay. So I'm going to begin with my carrots first. So mm. Making sure everything is set up. So I'm starting with my apples, okay? So I'm going to do the pineapple. So this is the apple juice. I'm proceeding with the pineapples. So now I'm done with the pineapples. And I'm going with the carrots. Okay. So this is my carrot juice. You can do a lot of them, but I'm just doing a little bit. I don't want to do too much and let it sit in the fridge. I only do it like on regular, but 2 days, every 2 days. And this is the pulp, the chaff. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some water to the pineapple chaff. And then once I add the water, I will just strain it. I'll just strain it off. So this is what it's looking like. You have your Fanta here ready, okay? So I have more apples. Thanks for joining, guys. If you join, just hit the like button. Okay, I'm juicing. I'm doing natural Fanta. I'm making my own homemade Fanta. Okay, so it has carrots, pineapple, and then apples. Thank you so much for joining. If you join, just share, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from. You want to get a beautiful skin, drink this Fanta. And see how this is really, really delicious. Okay, if you're just joining, please like. If you're just joining, just like. So I just juice once a week. And this is a very healthy juice. All right. Until I come your way again.